Introducing the Power Smokeless Grill, the only indoor grill with smoke extracting technology. Watch again as it sucks up that smoke and odor like a vacuum. The 5-star reviews say it all. People love the Power Smokeless Grill.
I've never used an indoor grill that gave you outdoor charcoal results, ever.
I get the outdoor feeling, taste, and look of the food that I miss from our outdoor grill.
It heats up almost immediately. It gives you that char that you're looking for, and I was just shocked. Nothing. There was no smoke in the apartment. We didn't have to open the doors.
The Power Smokeless Grill really is smokeless.
I even asked Cheryl, where's the smoke?
You can grill juicy porterhouse, surf and turf, tender cowboy, and succulent jumbo shrimp, barbecue back ribs. Look at the char grill results. You'd never know it wasn't cooked on an outdoor grill. What's the secret? The heat source reaching 450 degrees Fahrenheit is built into the grill plate, so all that fat can drip through the grates into the drip tray below. This is the healthy way to cook, and that fat drains away through the open grill, just like an outdoor barbecue. The Turbo Speed smoke extractor technology captures and extracts virtually all the smoke. This means now you can have an open grill right in your kitchen. One press and it instantly starts heating. It's small enough for an apartment, but big enough to feed a hungry family. That's because the entire footprint is edge-to-edge grilling surface. Grill 8 large burgers, 3 whole racks of ribs. You can even grill an entire family meal and a whole chicken. Stop grilling with indoor grills that set your smoke alarm blaring. Now you can grill caramelized pork chops, barbecue street corn, stuff your burger with mac and cheese, grill a bounty of vegetables, and barbecue char-grilled game night wings. Every season in any weather. You can even grill from frozen. You can cook fast and serve in a flash. And here's exciting news. Add liquid, lemon, and herbs to the tray below and infuse your food with flavor as you grill. The LED variable heat control lets you adjust the heat from 175 to 450 degrees. Char grill steak on high, slow grill pizza on medium for the wood-fired artisan taste. Toast melted cheese paninis over a low heat. Perfect for apartments, balconies, RVs, and boats. The heavy-duty cast aluminum grill plate is super non-stick ceramic. Fish skin down? Not a problem. Watch melted cheese come right off. Forget about grill plates that are attached to the base. They're impossible to clean. The grill plate and accessories are dishwasher safe, so cleanup is a breeze.
How many amazing features did we manage to fit inside the T-fal Opti-Grill? Let's take a closer look. 6 different automatic cooking programs. Just select hamburger, poultry, sandwich, pork, red meat, or seafood to grill nearly anything to absolute perfection with little work from you. And don't forget, use any of the automatic programs with the snowflake button to cook directly from frozen. Like your steak a little more rare than the rest of the family? Handy color codes make it easy to pull individual servings off when they've reached the desired doneness. Yellow for rare, orange for medium, and red for well done. Automated sensors know exactly how thick your food is and adjust cooking time based on size, ensuring each meal is cooked to absolute perfection every single time. Want to make something that's not on the list like grilled vegetables? Set the Opti-Grill to manual mode and get creative. Beautiful grill marks show the sear that locks in moisture, keeping your meats tender and juicy, all while fat drains away into the drip tray. No additional oils are required for cooking, so you'll eat healthier with the Opti-Grill without any extra effort. It's so easy, it's completely foolproof. The Opti-Grill's non-stick removable grill plates make cleanup a snap. Wait until they're cool, then rinse with water or wipe down with a damp cloth. They'll even fit right into your dishwasher. And since they're made by T-fal, you'll get the quality construction materials you've come to expect. So never burn or waste a steak again. Get perfectly grilled, healthier, tastier meals with the T-fal Opti-Grill.
The Ninja Foodi Grill gives you the cooking power of an outdoor grill indoors, so you can have those juicy, char-grilled flavors you crave any day of the week, all year round. After you've assembled the splatter shield, cooking pot, and grill gate, you're ready to get cooking. Our intelligent grill function controls the grate and air temperatures to reduce smoke, keeping it out of your kitchen. Reference the cheat sheet in your Quick Start Guide or the cooking charts in your Inspiration Guide to see the recommended cook times and temperatures for specific ingredients. When using the grill function, Pre will illuminate on the display and the progress bar will indicate it's preheating. For best grilling results, allow your Foodie grill to preheat. This may take about 8 minutes. When preheating is complete, the Foodie grill will beep and the display screen will read Add Food. Once you've added your food, close the hood. The timer will then start counting down from your set cook time and cooking will begin. During cooking, you can open the hood to check on or flip your food. The timer will pause when the hood is opened and then automatically resume after it's closed. After grilling meat, let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes before cutting it. This helps lock in moisture for juicier, more tender results.
The Cuisinart Griddler gets a sleek, contemporary look and innovative functions with the Cuisinart Griddler 5. All the classic cooking methods you want, like contact grill, panini press, grill, griddle, and full or half griddle now come with user-friendly digital precision controls, easy-to-use countdown timer, and a brilliant LCD display. Simply set the function, temperature, and time, and let the Griddler 5 cook your favorite foods to perfection. With 5-in-1 cooking options, you can prepare hash browns, crisp bacon, and make blueberry pancakes all at the same time. Or grill up tangy and onion Gruyere burgers, or even a chocolate hazelnut panini as a special treat for dessert. You can prepare an entire meal in 15 minutes or less, including cleanup. The Griddler 5 features an adjustable floating cover, stay-cool stainless steel handlebar, and the reversible, removable cooking plates are completely dishwasher safe. With adjustable temperatures from 175 to 450 degrees, you can lightly toast a panini or sear your steak to perfection and use the 2-minute sear function for lightning fast results. All of the features you love with a simple modern design. The Cuisinart Griddler 5 is the ultimate addition to your countertop.
Introducing the Smart Grill. With powerful heating elements embedded into the plates, the Smart Grill preheats faster and cooks quicker with the convenience of being dishwasher safe. One of the new innovations is the sensors built into the plates. These Element IQ sensors will detect when you put something cold, like a steak, on the plates. After they detect this temperature drop, the elements compensate by injecting more heat into the plates so it maintains the temperature that you want. The grill opens flat for more surface area, so you can barbecue your meats on one side and grill your veggies on the other, with all the drips collecting in the middle. The 6 adjustable height settings with floating hinge mean you can evenly toast paninis or grill delicate fish without the top plate crushing the contents. The LCD display simplifies cooking too. Set a temperature and a time, and when the grill chimes, you're ready to cook. It's best to clean the plates while they're still warm. All you need is some wet paper towel, just wipe it down, and then pop them in the dishwasher. The Smart Grill, truly another great innovation by Breville.